want to focus on is 10 daily success habits that will last for generations. So that's one. And then the other is the power of positive programming, how we can design the architecture inside our brain so that we can positively move forward. Okay, so one of the things I realized many years ago was the power of our own self-talk and how our unconscious mind and our conscious mind intertwine to either help or hinder us. And so what I focus all the time on is how I can really focus my mind on making sure that the pictures that are there when I want to achieve things are pictures of positivity and creativity, not doubt and fear. Right? So that is really what I focus on. Every day, I have a number of thoughts that I consolidate every single morning and focus on to trick my unconscious mind. When I see you, I'll tell you exactly how I do that. But for now, that's what I want to say. I trick my unconscious mind so that it helps me to focus in the right direction every single day. I guess why is all of this important is because what happens is the more we have more people with a positive mindset, you all know this, the more you have people with a positive mindset around you, the more productive we are as human beings. And that's really important. I'm not saying to fake it until you make it. I'm actually talking about really focusing your minds on opportunities. And because I strongly believe that opportunities are limitless as long as we're focused on them.